Maayong adlaw, Rosie here again. You speak like a local teacher. Karong adlaw atong pagahisgutan ang mga common nga lihok sa Cebuano, the most common verb in Cebuano. Ang unang verbs kaon, eat. Prefix you can attach to indicate the verb conjugation. Present ga, past ni. Future mo, to give order. Pag, to ask question, use prefix nag. Okay? Okay. To give order, remember, pag. Okay. So we have here our sample sentence. But first, I will read all the conjugation. Present, past, future, give order, and asking question. Gakaon, nikaon, mukaon, pagkaon, nagkaon. Okay? So, sample sentence. Gakaon pa ko. Hulat sa diha sa gawas palihog. I'm still eating. Wait for me outside, please. Okay? Nikaon nako ganiha. I already eat earlier. So, mukaon sa ako kay gutom. I have to eat first. I'm hungry. I have to eat first. I'm hungry. Or I'm so hungry. Pagkaon na o paniudto kay hapon na. You should eat lunch now. It's already afternoon. Ask question, nagkaon na ka? Wala para ba? Mangaon na ta. Okay. Mangaon na ta. Meaning, let's eat. Alright. Here. We have another example. Kaon. Okay, remember, present ga, past ni, future mo, to give order, pag. Gakaon pa ko. Or gakaon ko, I'm eating. Nikaon ako, I have eaten. Nikaon is past action. You can also say, busog nako, I'm already full or I'm still full. Busog nako. Here, mo, okay, this one is, mo is used to indicate future action in a short duration. And for longer duration, we use mag for talking about the future plan. So, magbakasyon ko, magminyo nako, magtrabaho nako, okay? Magskwela nako, sunod tuig, okay, future. Okay. Dili ko mukaon ani. I don't eat this. Okay, muadto ko sa opisina. I'll go to the office. All right. Kauna ng broccoli kay that's good for you. Kuan na siya. Maayo na, makaayo na sa lawas. All right. Ayaw pagpamili. Don't be so picky. Okay, next, abot, arrive. Prefix, naka, past, ni, future mo. Niabot, arrived. Niabot nako sa balay. I already arrived home. Arrive home. Muabot, will arrive. Muabot ko sa balay unyang hapon. I will arrive home later this afternoon. Unya is later. Alright. Next, kita, meet, to see each other, meet, kita, to meet up. Ga, kita, past, nagkita, future, magkita or makikita. So, nagkita, past action, use nag. Nagkita mi gahapon sa plaza. So, past, right? So, when you say, magkita ta ugma sa plaza, that is future. We see each other at the park tomorrow. Magkita sila sa iyang uyab sunod tuig. Uy, kadugay pa adto. Magkita sila sa iyang uyab sunod tuig sa Pinas. Uy, good luck. Kay dugay pa kaayo. Basin mausab pa ang inyong mga gibati. Bitaw, joke. Next. Tulog, to sleep. Prefix, ga, tulog. Past, natulog. Future, matulog. To give order, pagtulog. Pagtulog na, kay gabi na kaayo. Gatulog pa siya. She's still asleep. Alright? She still asleep. Gatulog pa siya. So, she, it can be also he, okay? Because in Cebuano, we don't have gender specification. So, it can be a boy or a girl, he or she. Alright? Siya is a third person singular pronoun. Alright? Matulog na ko. I'm going to sleep. O, sige dong, patulog na dong kay gabi na dong. Go to sleep now. It's already late at night. Alright? Good night. Bitaw, good night. Pagtarong og tulog or katulog og maayo. Okay, mata. Mata. This one, mata is root word mata. Present. Nagmata, past ni mata. To give future, mumata, to give order. Pagmata, this one also to ask question, you can use nag. Nagmata na siya. So, you can use nag. You just have to make it like interrogative if you use it in asking questions. So, by the way, mata, it can be a noun as well. But here, like, for noun, mata, it's your eyes. Mumata, that is a verb to wake up. Alright? So, nagmata na siya. Present tense, nagmata na siya. So, in this case, you can also say, nagmata na siya. Is she awake yet? Okay? Okay, here, ni mata ko kay alas 7 na sa buntag. I got up at 7 a.m. in the morning. Pass. Mumata ko og sayo ugma. I will get up early tomorrow. Sayo is early, okay? Adverb of degree. Pagmata na diha kay buntag na malit na ka sa trabaho. Okay? This is an order. You have to wake up now. You can also say pagmata na kay malit na ka sa eskwelahan. Okay? Get up now. It's already morning. You'll be late for school or for work. Alright, good luck waking up early. Okay. Next, adto. Go. Prefix, ga, adto. Past, ni adto. Future, mu adto. To give order, pag. Pag adto na, kay udto na. Okay. Gaadto ko sa trabaho. I'm going to work. Or I'm off to work. Gaadto. Ni adto na siya sa trabaho. She or he went to work. Muadto na ko sa trabaho. I will go to work. Pag trabaho na, gasigi raman ka og Facebook. So that's an order. Go and work. You spend too long or you spend too much time on Facebook. So sige is sige is always. It can also mean okay sometimes. It depends on the context of the sentence. Okay, you get it? You say, okay, that is, or sige, that means, okay. Sige, raman ka og kaon, tambok na kakaayo, bitaw joke. Ligo, bath, prefix. Present, ga. Past or galigo. Present, ga, galigo. Past, na, naligo. Future, maligo. To ask question, use nag. This one for order as well, you can use pag. Pagligo na, baho na kay ka. Joke. Yeah. Pagligo na. Go and take a shower. You're too smelly. Pagligo na, baho na kay ka. Joke. Yeah. That's how you do it. Okay? I'm just speaking here like a local speaker. That's why I make a joke. Okay? So, galigo pa ko. I'm still taking pa is still. Pa. Okay, still. Human ako og ligo. I finished taking shower. Or I don't have an article here. Naligo na ko. Maligo sa ko kay init kaayo. I will go to shower first. Is too hot. Sa is first. Sometimes sa When we say sa, that is first. But when you say sa balay, that is preposition. Okay? Nagligo nako. Na is already, ka is you. Okay? The second personal pronoun. Get it? Sayon ra kaayo, di ba? Very easy, right? Okay. Here, lantaw or tanaw, depende kung asa kadapit nga lugar. Some place they say lantaw, some say tanaw. So, to watch. Prefix, ga, gatanaw or galantaw, pa, ni, or mi. You can say milantaw, nilantaw, milantaw. You can use either this, me or ni. Future, mo or mag. So you can also use either the two, mo or mag. To give order, pag. Okay? Paglantaw na ug salida. Okay? So our sample sentence here, galantaw ko ug salida. I'm watching movie. Maybe your mother say, where are you? You say, asa ka? You say, galantaw ko ug salida. So, galantaw siya og salida. Third person singular pronoun. Galantaw siya. He or she is watching movie. Okay, because we don't have gender specification again. Mulantaw mi og salida pag human og panihapon, we will watch movie after dinner. Milantaw mi og salida ganiha, we watch movie earlier. Paglantaw na og salida kung mahuman ka sa imong homework. You can watch movie after you finish your homework. Here we have baklay or lakaw, just to walk. Prefix ga or mag. Past nag. Future mo. Give order pag. Gabaklay ko, I'm walking. Magbaklay ra ko, I just walk. Ra is like only. Try to use lakaw in the future sentence. Okay? How do you use it in the future? You indicate or you add the prefix mo. Okay? The word lakaw. Alright? Good luck with that. Lakaw in giving order. Giving order usually followed by na. Lakaw na! Go now! Alright? Lakaw na! Or paglakaw na. Okay, paglakaw na kay malate na ka, go now. You're getting late. Pagkaon na, go and eat now. Alright, tao lang po, nagkakamali. Alright, okay, here, practice. Write a simple sentence using this photo. The verb is kaon or eat in the present, past, and future tense. Write your answer in the comment section. Number 1, present ga. 2, past is ni. Future mo, to give order, pag. Then ask question, nag. This prefix you can attach or to indicate verb conjugation, and your verb is kaon. Okay, so good luck with that. I will see you again in the next video or next lesson, because verb I have I think 100 verbs to give away in this part of the lesson. So hantod sa sunod higayon, dagang salamat og amping kanunay. Bye bye.